Okay, what we'll be describing here is the male reproductive system. And the first thing you need to be able to identify is your sacrum. And right here is your sacrum. So it would be number 6. And then that extends down into the coccyx, which is right here, number 7. The external urethral sphincter. Here's our urethra down here. But the external urethral sphincter is right here. It could be on either side. It's like a ring. Controls what's being let out. The penis would actually be, let's put this back together, it's number 25 right here. This is the penis. And then the corpus spongiosum is the lining on the inside that's directly around the urethra right there. And then the corpus cavernosum is right here. So it would be that gray lining. So the corpus spongiosum is that red lining, and then the corpus cavernosum is the gray lining, which is 27 on that one. Then we have the scrotum. Let's put this back together, which is this, number 19. And then number 16 would be, let's see, the urethra, which just goes all the way down. There is subsections, but I will detail them in a second when I get there. The testes lie inside the scrotum, and that would be here. It's 19A. And
the
epididymis is right here, but it could also be right here. So it's right there. That's a cross section. So here's the outer portion of the epididymis, and here is the epididymis on the inside. And then let's put them back together. Come on. The prostate is here, which is number 15, the brown, but if you have the cross section, it's going to be right here. And then we have the seminal vesicle, which is right here on the outside. And then we have the ductus deferens, which is 18, which is this big tube right here. And the penile urethra is the urethra that runs through the penis. And then we have the prostate urethra, which runs through the prostate. The external urethra meatus is the opening. Go back together. Is the opening down here. Let's see what else. Urinary bladder is here, which would be like 14. The ureter is number 13. It's right here. It's coming out of the urinary bladder. And the kidney is, let's see, right here, which would be 34. The sigmoid colon would be here. It makes an S shape. That's why it's called the sigmoid colon. The rectum is 9. The external anal sphincter, it's easier if you look at it like this. External is striated muscle, internal is smooth muscle. So here's the internal sphincter. The aorta is number 31 right here. And then the inferior vena cava is on the opposite side, should be number 32. The common iliac artery comes down from the aorta, so this would be the common iliac artery. The common iliac vein comes from the inferior vena cava, so it should be number 30 right here. The external iliac, I was like, what? The external iliac is, let's see, this one here. That's our external iliac vein, and this is our external iliac artery. And then our internal iliac artery is down here, number 29, and we do not have the internal iliac vein shown, but it should be going back down this way. And then we're done.